kind of feels like when the repo market was imploding, I remember talking to Robert, like, there's a lot of smoke coming out from under the hood. I don't know what's going on, but something's going on. And then now I see the central banks accumulating more gold than they had since 71 when, the dollar collapsed after the default on gold under Nixon. It's like, okay, something's going on. And so it just makes me wonder, is there a role for gold at the macro level, whether or not China acts on it? And then the question is, at the micro level, is there a role for gold in an investor's portfolio based on what's going on, in your opinion?
Well, we have to remember that gold is a hedge against deflation and inflation. If you look back historically, it has outperformed in times of distress. And I would say that we're in a time of distress. So if you don't own gold, you sure as hell should, because it's a perfect hedge for the unexpected. And we're in an era right now of the unexpected happening. On a macro level, if you ask any traditional central banker, Keynesian type of economist, how we're going to extricate ourselves from this debt mess, because everybody keeps building it up. As of Q1, right, we had $325 trillion of debt worldwide. Their stock answer is a debt jubilee. Now, if you don't believe that a debt jubilee is going to be feasible and that we're going to come together as a world, including China, and agree to expunge all sovereign debts and just start clean, if you don't believe that that's going to be feasible, then you're going to want to have a war chest built up just in case. And I think that what you're seeing is a reflection of growing global anxiety about the role that the dollar plays, because at some point there's either a very allied driven debt jubilee or something else.
That's awesome. So happy that we had a chance to talk with you.
All right, great stuff. I knew you wouldn't let us down. We're going to hear more from Danielle in our lightning round, but thanks so much for being with us today and for all the amazing work you do.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Before you go, 3 things. Number 1, click the subscribe button, because when we have more subscribers, it makes it easier for us to attract better guests to share great content with you. Number 2 is click the notification bell to be sure that you're notified when we put up new content. This is obviously an ongoing situation. We're going to have continuous discussions about it. You're going to want to make sure that you're kept up to date. And then number 3 is make sure you share it. Tell a friend. Help us flatten the economic curve by getting more financial education out there to people who need it. Okay, so you know what to do. Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.
Systems break, and suddenly your family, friends, and neighbors are distracted with Wall Street stock indexes and Washington political pandering. Many are unaware and unprepared. Like COVID-19, ignorance of looming financial perils is also a disease, and the system is fragile. But you can help. Financial education is the vaccine. Share this free video series while there's still time. Alert people to these serious issues. If things turn quickly, the financial support system could be overwhelmed to the point of collapse. Help flatten the curve and reduce the impact on the financial system. Wake up more people to prepare. You have nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Share this video directly or invite people to visit crisisinvestingseries.com.